Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Spoons, my YouTube channel. And today it is 3 a.m. and my cat got possessed by the devil. Yeah, so you know this video is gonna be lit when we have demonic possession within my household. So as you can obviously see, it is 3 a.m. currently. You can see that right there. So now that it's 3 a.m., we gotta go out there. I don't like going outside my room. The room outside is scary. I haven't been outside in 14 days. So now, you always gotta make sure you bring your trusty flashlight outside. You gotta make sure you bring your trusty flashlight. So, let's go outside of my room. Well guys, it's so scary. Okay guys, we made it outside